Got Bitcoin? Let's use it to make a difference. First, choose a charity. Look for reputable ones that accept Bitcoin. The Giving Block aggregates various charities, while Fidelity Charitable offers a donor-advised fund. Some charities even have their own Bitcoin addresses. Next, acquire Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. If you already own some, transfer it from your wallet. Now send the donation. Use platforms like the Giving Block to easily select a charity and send your Bitcoin. Or, if the charity has its own Bitcoin address, you can send it directly from your wallet. A few important considerations. Consult a tax professional about tax implications. Use a secure wallet for storage. Be aware of transaction fees and exchange rates. Why donate Bitcoin? Enjoy potential tax advantages, support global causes, and benefit from blockchain transparency. Plus, you're supporting innovation in the crypto space. By following these steps, you can make a meaningful impact with your Bitcoin donations.